Hi, I'm Paul Gray. I'm the Research and Development Manager for Hurco. Today we're showcasing our demonstration for IMTS. It's our 50th anniversary. We wanted to do something pretty special. So behind me we have a robot doing 3D scans to generate solid models of people's heads, and we're cutting simultaneous 5-axis busts and 3-axis coins of their heads. Now over here we have a FANUC robot that is loading a laser engraver, and this is engraving the people's names onto the parts, and it's also loading the 5-axis machine Hurco next to it. And over here we have a 3-axis machine that is connected to an Aroa robot that automatically loads and unloads the 3-axis coins. Now the unique thing about this is that all the machines and all the robots and all the computers here are only connected through Ethernet. There are no hardwire I/O connections. This is truly the epitome of Industry 4.0.